Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight the cutest little kids chair that I just got sent. This thing is awesome. So I want to highlight some of the really cool features about it. And then I'm going to show you my kiddo sitting in it so you can get like a good view of what the size is like with a child in it. So this is so cool and so fun. I absolutely love it. First of all, it was a super easy put together. Did not take very long at all, like 5 minutes. So really quick put together, which is super nice. It's got the nice wooden legs. Now this part is where it gets really cool. This seat can come off. So inside of it, they can store things. So if you're using this as like a vanity, they could put makeup, they could put body sprays, whatever, or it can be like journals, notebooks, things like that. Whatever you want to store inside of it is super nice because this top comes off. Now this is a really comfortable seat. It's awesome because it's squishy and soft. So the last really cool feature that I want to show you is that this is an adjustable back, which is so cool. I absolutely love this. So you can see right here, you can hear it. So it goes flat just like this. It's an easy storage underneath something small, which is brilliant. I love that. And then when you bring it all the way back, you can hear it click. Once it clicks, that means that it's ready to be adjusted. So you can adjust it here. It can be like pretty reclined, or you can sit it up nice and tall. So absolutely love all the features of this. Now I'm going to show you my kiddo sitting in here so you guys can get a good look at it. Alright, so here is my daughter sitting in it. You can see how well it fits her. Absolutely love this. I've got 3 girls and they are so excited about this. So if you've got kiddos, this is the perfect little chair. Hop on, grab one for them. They will be so excited.